using the Smarther with Netatmo thermostat with the Home Plus Control app. Launch Home Plus Control. This is the home page where all rooms can be managed. If you are cold and would like to turn on the heating in the kitchen for a selected time, you can use the boost function by touching the boost button. The heating will turn on for 30, 60 or 90 minutes. The red bar decreases, letting you know how much time is left of the boost. To stop the boost, touch the X. To change the temperature, press plus or minus. In a second, the thermostat will show the set temperature. If Netatmo smart radiator valves are installed, we can manage the temperature of those rooms in the same way. We can change the temperature. And we can also select how long it lasts. The boost function can also be used. To stop it, press the X. By pressing the white circle, you can quickly activate the schedule you prefer. For example, when you are going out, you can activate the away scene. You can also decide how long to leave the scene active. Let's see how to set weekly programs from the menu on the left-hand side. Press the top bar to add a new schedule and name it. The wizard will go through the steps, asking what time the household generally wakes up and goes to sleep, when they're at home during the day, and at what time they wake up and go to sleep on weekends. Then, if they're at home during weekends, and finally, what the ideal temperature should be. This basic schedule is now complete and ready to be used. Let's see how to personalize it. Using the pencil in the lower right-hand side, preset temperature levels can be changed, or new ones can be added to better manage different rooms. Name the new temperature level. This personalized temperature can be used on Sunday morning, for example, replacing the preset one. Finally, we can see the consumption monitoring graph and how long the boiler has been turned on in the different rooms, using the icon on the top right-hand side of the homepage.